So here's an Alienware laptop that was given to me by my friend Matt before he moved away because he no longer needed it. It's a gaming laptop. It has retarded features like the speakers light up and the thing changes color and stupid stuff, and the keyboard is lit and crap like that. It's a powerhouse still. Very reflective screen, as obviously you can see. But it's a real powerhouse. It didn't come to me, there's the lit keyboard, it didn't come to me without problems. I'll go in the BIOS. There is a CD in the drive, that's for later on. But I'll show you what this has. It's supposed to have clipped speakers. Unfortunately, they're blown, so they sound like crap. But it's still a pretty nice unit. And it says it has a Intel i7, Core i7 2630QM. And there's the information there. 2 gigahertz, 6 meg L3 cache, stuff like that. And it has a separate video card in the laptop, yes, NVIDIA GFX, whatever that is, and 8 gig of RAM. This is probably the most powerful computer I own at this point. But anyway, like I said, it didn't come to me without problems, so I want to show you what I had to do to get it working. There's 2 screws that need to be removed, which went here. This is under the battery, and here. Once you do that, the entire bottom slides back and you can lift it off, revealing the inside. The problem with the machine was you'd turn it on and you would get no video, otherwise it would still continue to boot up. Oh, and by the way, it's only a 320 gig hard drive. Everything on this is original as shipped, as far as I'm aware. Yeah, an SSD will be faster, and yes, I will be very happy to put one in for all you fucking nut jobs that waste all sorts of money, provided you send one to me. Okay, so that drive will be just perfectly fucking fine for now. You know, and I could swap that over to be a slave drive, or you can actually RAID them on this for what it's worth. But anyway, back to the problem at hand. This is the graphics card. It's a separate card here. I'll actually take it apart to show you. You have to remove the fan first with those 3 screws and take out the connector there, and then that gets removed. And then there are 4 screws for the heatsink. So let me get those out. Okay, I've undone everything here, and just lifts right out just like that. Easy to blow out and easy to oil should it ever need. And put that aside and pull these screws. There is one missing C-clip on one of the screws, or maybe even 2 of them, so the screw comes out. It's supposed to be held captive to it, but it doesn't. Yeah, there's only one that's missing it. But after we do that, if I have it all the way unscrewed, it should just come out of here. There we go. And it has all this goopy shit on it. Yes, I know, reapply the thermal paste. That's another repair for another day. But it has this stuff, kind of like sticky, reusable pad stuff. A little bit left behind there, but it'll just chooch back together. Anyway, once you have the heatsink off, now you have to remove the graphics card. There's 2 screws right there. Let me get those out. Okay, with those screws out, you just lift up and the whole thing comes out. Just like a RAM chip. Kind of like that. Anyway, there was all sorts of oxidation, and I hate when people say oxidization. That just doesn't sound right. I can't even fucking say it. So it's oxidation. And I simply cleaned up the card edge connector here with a rubber pencil eraser. Put it back in, and it works flawlessly. There's some more conductive shit, you know, heatsink, compound, rubbery stuff, whatever you want to call it, which I guess I'll straighten out. And I'll button it back up, and then we'll get started with the next part. And right back together, and it works. So we're going to let this boot up. This is in the same condition it was given to me. I have not even cleaned the screen yet or done anything. Here's the stupid light up speakers. And I think once in Windows there's a program that runs that changes color of them. Yes, it does have a Windows disk in the drive. That's for later. And it blinks them every now and again. I have no fucking clue why. Let's see if we get it blink again. There, for no reason. See, now they're going different color. Just because. And this is the wallpaper. This is completely matinized because I have not done anything with it yet. And that's it. It's all just here as it was in exactly the same condition. Now obviously I'm going to reload the operating system